that goes with it. All of these kingdoms I will give to you, the accuser said, if only you will kneel down before me and worship me. But Jesus said, go away, enemy, for the scriptures say, kneel before the Lord your God and worship only him. There are two types of quotations of scripture here. One is to deceive and bring honor to self, and the other was to believe and bring honor to God. Look at me, you know, Satan. And Jesus is like, look at the Father. Look at the Father. Kneel before the Lord your God and worship only him.